don't touch this beat if you ain't fit to aim. Still new south when we rock, come equipped with game. I claim to be the realest, who I am on the mics. The same person in the hood, we never duck that slight. But listen, that ain't what I'm there for. Trying to make an anthem for the team for our state. Then best believe that's what I'm here for. Bleed blue, we stay fly like an air corps. Top two and we ain't second. Ain't no fair score, watch this wordplay. We put these toes in the bird cage. First game we lack, we double back. We prefer pain. Built different lessons over losses. Ain't no first aid, we here now. I know you be dependent on that third game. State of origin, it's survival of the fittest. Check the whole squad, whole team, heavy hitters through the thick and thin. It's no game, no gimmicks, we just came to win. But regardless, we all winners. First comes Dylan, too fast like Brian. Free P for Big Critter. What we needed was alignment. Latrouse for the brothers, so I know we got time for it. Does that puff? Cause I swear God fire.